Hey everyone, welcome to version 4.4 of 3D Print Farm Sheets. In this video, we are going to just do a high-level overview of the new features. This is not a tutorial walkthrough of the sheets itself. We do have those listed on this same YouTube channel, so if you're interested in that, please go to our other videos and you can see that. This is just highlighting the new updates that are in version 4.4 that was just released this month. The first update, it is not seen, but it is a file optimization update. So we took the file size of 3D Print Farm Sheets from 19 megabytes down to half a meg. That's a huge update just for quality of life when it comes to downloading the sheet, saving the sheet, using the sheet. It'll be much quicker, much more responsive. So we're happy about that. Second thing we've done is we have included a new currency selector. So we now support 6 different currencies. We've had a lot of people show interest in the sheet from different parts of the world, which is awesome. But obviously not everyone uses the US dollar like we do here. So we've been putting out different currencies really based off of requests that we have been getting. So if your currency is not here, make sure to get in our Discord, send us a message there with your request of the currency. Whatever gets the most, messages will be the newest ones added. To show how this feature works, this box here is a drop-down. I know drop-downs and dialog boxes do not show up when you are doing screen recordings with Excel, but trust me, it's there. So if you scroll down, and we're currently on Euro, so if we change it back to the US dollar, we click that, a dialog box does pop up. You guys can't see it, but essentially says based on your PC and what you have running, this may take a minute, it may not. I would encourage you, if you are going to run the currency selector change, to do it with no other Excel windows open. Just have this one window open and it'll go much quicker for you. We hit OK, and we can see it automatically changed these down here to the US dollar, and there it already finished the whole sheet. If we flip over to Etsy, we can see here all of our values are now in US dollar instead of the euro like they were. And this brings us to our third update that we did in version 4.4, which is these automatic goal seek buttons we added for all your different profit metrics that you may be following. So if you have a desire to make $4 per hour, rather than trying to find that sweet spot by changing the sales price and going, okay, $14.65, maybe $14.33, and trial and error it, you can just put $4 in here, hit run goal seek, and it tells you exactly what you got to list your price for, so you can make $4 an hour. Something we like to do, and the way we use it, is we kind of set our minimums, right? So we set our minimum profit per print, we set our minimum profit margin we want to get, and we set our minimum profit per hour that we need. So for example, if these were our minimums, we usually start with the profit per hour and we run the goal seek there, and it goes, $3, okay? But you can see we're not hitting our minimum on profit, and we're not hitting our minimum on profit margin. So the next thing we do is we run goal seek, and there we go. We've hit our profit per margin. That also made us hit our total profit, and obviously we're well above our profit per hour. And that would probably be our starting point price going forward with that particular product. So those are the 3 big changes. I know quantity of update, there wasn't a lot, but they were a lot of engineering to make them happen. Those goal seek functions are on every sales channel. So whether you buy the Etsy or the Amazon or the Shopify, or if you bought the full suite, it's on every sales channel to be used. And obviously the currency selector is there also. So we hope you guys are loving version 4.4 of 3D Print Farm Sheets. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out via Discord. Otherwise, please tell your friends, tell your family, tell your 3D printing groups about us. We want to get this tool into the hands of everybody that we can. We see too often people not doing the numbers correctly and thinking they're making money just to find out at the end of the month they didn't, and it can be very demoralizing. And really, we want people to be encouraged in 3D printing and to keep selling and doing things. So please let them know about us. Otherwise, have a great week. We hope to see you guys soon.